how to pin someone on Snapchat. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're in, head over to your chats by clicking the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up your list of friends and all the active conversations you've been having. Now, if you have a lot of friends or chats going on, this feature is super handy because it helps you keep certain conversations right at the top. Scroll through the list to find the friend you want to pin. Once you find them, tap on their profile by clicking their Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you directly to their Snapchat profile, where you can see all the details about that friend. In the top right corner of their profile page, you'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu has all the different settings for that particular friend, things like mute notifications or even unfriend them if you ever need to, but today we're focusing on pinning the conversation. From this menu, select Chat and Notification Settings. Once you tap on that, another list of options will pop up. Here, you'll see the option to pin conversation. Tap on it, and just like that, this person's chat is pinned to the very top of your chat list. No matter how many other conversations you have, their chat will always stay at the top, making it super easy to access. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials.